Okay, now let's solve theory of structures problem involving beam deflections, particularly restrained beams, or in this case, prop beam lang pala. So one end is fixed, the other end is simply supported. Gamit na gamit kasi yan. So sige. So compute the reaction R and sketch, compute lang natin yung reaction at R. Okay, so kasi we need this reaction madalas to board exams. Kapag may prop beam, then triangular yung load, wherein yung fixed, yung, yung may value na, yung may magnitude na part, kasi yung isa is zero is yung naka-fixed. Yan, nasa fixed support. Sige. So we'll use double integration method for this problem. So, di ba, pag DIM, so maglet tayo ng magpapangalan tayo na X. So, wala namang ibang dito, wala namang discontinuity ng load. Tuloy-tuloy naman yan. So, kahit dito ka, saan ka dyan sa span na yan. Okay, so we let that as X. Value of X. Okay, paano nga ulit yun? Pag DIM, so that is, dito ko na lang. Sige, dito na lang ako. Sa tabi. So that's EIY double prime. Right? That is equal to the moment. Okay, so yung moment natin, eto, pangalanan muna natin. You have this R, then this one, gawin na natin ng relationship. So if X yan, so it corresponds to this Y value, the magnitude. So by ratio and proportion, so that's W sub O over L, that is equal to Y over X. So basically, Y is just XWL. Y is just X times, yan, or WOX times over L. WO times X over L. Okay? So moment natin, sige, okay na yan. Gamitin natin to. So for that, positive natin yung pinapangiti yung beam. Right? So yung reaction yun. That's R times X, then minus, ayan, so 1/2. Ang base niya ay X, ang Y niya ay WOX over L. Tama? 1/2 base times height. Then ang moment arm is 1/3 ng X. Ayan. So it's the moment. Tama? Wala na iba. Okay, so simplifying, Rx minus, that will be 1/6. So 3 times 2, or 1/2 times 1/3, that's 1/6. Then WO, ano to? So constant naman yung WO, so sama ko na siya dito sa 1/6. So WO over 6 ko na pala to. Okay, WO. Then also yung L, that's constant. So dito ko na lang ilagay. Para x cube na lang to. Tama? Okay. So x cube na siya. Then, yung susunod, yan, integrate na natin yan. That's EIY double prime. So para maging EIY na lang yan, integrate natin with respect to x. Kakaroon ka ng dx dito. Pa-integrate natin yan. This will be EI, y prime na lang. So pag integrate natin R, that is a constant. X squared over 2. Ba? Integral calculus. Then this one will be WO, then 3. Madadagdagan ng 4. So denominator is also 4. Then 6 times 4, that's 24. L, x to the 4th. So since nag-integrate tayo, we'll have a constant of integration. First, C. Double integration. Dalawang beses ka mag-integrate. And then, given that, tawag nito, simplified naman na yan. Integrate ulit tayo with respect to dx. So that will be EI, y na lang to. Is the deflection formula. So, it's R over 2. Pero ito, this one will be 3. Rx cubed, 3 times 2, that's 6. So, x cubed na lang. And what R6? 1/6 ng R bali. Minus WO, yung 24. So, magiging ano yun, x to the fourth, magiging 5 na yan. So, 24 times 5, 120. So, 120 L, x to the fifth. And then, yung C1, pag integrate natin, magkakaroon ng katabi na x. Then, integrate ulit to 0, kakaroon ka ng constant. Ayan. Now, we have the values na. Pero kailangan natin masolve si C1 and C2. So, we have to use the boundary conditions. So, at x equals 0, that is the support, ano meron? Walang deflection. Pero may slope. Ayan. So, if x is 0, in this case, y is also 0. So, kapag sinubstitute natin to, kinuha natin yan. Ayan. So, anong mangyari? X equals 0, y 0. So, y 0, x 0, x 0, x 0. Ibig sabihin, C2 equals 0. Lagi naman ganun. Diba? So, C2 equals, I mean, not totally, all the time, pero lagi, madalas. Lalo kapag ganito, x0, y0. Next boundary condition is, may dalawa pa tayo. At x equals L, y equals 0 muna. Ayun, another one. At x equals L, ayan, isang buong length. So, fix yun. So, walang deflection. And wala ring slope for later. So, ayan, x equals L. Ayusin natin, y equals 0. So, this must be 0. X equals L. Sige, ayusin na natin. This will be r over 6. Malalang ano lang to. Algebra na lang to. WO 120 L times L to the fifth plus C1L. Wala na si C2, right? And so, rearranging, pwede na ba tayong makakuha ng value ni C2? Pwede na. Ay, si C1 pala. Si C1 makakuha nating value. So, lipat natin to doon. So, maging W sub O. L to the fifth over L. So, maging L to the fourth na lang. Over 120. Tama? Kaya. So, minus R6, R over 6. L cube. L cube. Okay. Then that is equal to C1L. Or, dito pa lang, tanggalin na natin yung L pala. So, ito, divide by L, magiging 2. Ito, di ba, naging 4 na lang yan? Naging 4 na lang yan, tapos divide mo pa by L, magiging 3 na lang. So, ayan. Tama. Ayan. Tama. 3. Ayan. So, tanggalin ko na lang pala to. WOL L cube over 120. And R6 L squared na lang to. Then yun, CL na lang yan. C1 na lang yan. Okay, so yan na lang natin, simplify na lang natin. Para mapagtulad natin yung denominator, have to multiply this by ano. Ito na lang ano ba? Times 20, right? Yeah. Yan, multiply natin by 20. Itong part na to lang. Kasi pag mag-multiply tayo ng ganun, di ba? Just multiplying by 1 lang naman, 20 over 20. Para lang mapagtulad natin yung denominator, yan mapagsama na natin. Actually, ito ko ilagay si C1 sa left. That's 120. W O L cube minus 20 R L squared. Paling C1. Mhm. So, ayan. So, pag substitute natin yan doon, ayan. Actually, tama ba? W O L cube. Okay. Tama yan. Then sa sunod, mapapalabas na natin, equate na natin to R. C1 muna yung kunin natin dito. Kasi kapag ginamit mo yung C1 dito, ako, factor, tanggalin ko na lang itong integral dito. Ito yung kailangan natin. Sunod. Oops. Ay. Ayan. So yan, si R na yung palalabasin natin dyan. Sa susunod na boundary conditions, si R na yung palalabasin natin. So si at x equals L, y prime or the slope equals 0. Kasi nga fixed yun. Ibig sabihin na magiging deflection pala nito is ganito. So fixed dito, so horizontal lang yan. Fixed dito, so yan, then pabalik. Then since may support dito, ayun. So, yeah, pag ganyan siya. Okay, so ayun nga, boundary condition at x equals 0, y equals 0, x equals L, y equals 0, and at x equals L, y prime is also 0. Okay, so substitute na lang natin. So y prime equals 0, wala na to. So pwede natin masolve si rx squared over 2 minus wo x, oops, kalimutan ko i-substitute sa L. Palitan na natin yan, x rl squared over 2 minus wo L to the fourth. L to the fourth over L, alam na. L cube na lang to over 24. Then i-add natin si C1, yung WO, L cube over 120. Oh, pwede pala. Ayan, so minus 20 RL squared over 120. Actually, pwede na to i-calculate. Ito. L squared over 2. Or parehas naman sila na ano. RL squared. Parehas silang RL squared. Parehas silang RL squared. So that is just 1/2 minus 20 over 20. Or pag sinimplify natin, i-calculate na lang natin. Ayan. Okay, so that will be 1/2 and 1/2 minus 20 over 20, or pag sinimplify, yung kanina, divided by 20, 1/6. 1/2 minus 1/6. Tama? Divided by 21, divided by 26. So 1/3. Oh, that's just 1/3 pala. 1/3 RL squared. Itong WOL cube naman, that will be, so 0 muna natin dyan. So that will be negative 1 over 24. Negative 1 over 24 plus 1 over 120. Tama? So negative 130. Negative 1 over 30. Ano yun? WOL cube. Now, since naka-0 yung isa, so transpose natin to. Maging 1 over, actually yung R na lang ilagay natin sa left. So 1/3 RL squared, that is equal to 1 over 30 WOL cube. So ayun na, nakikita na. RL squared, L cube. So ano yan? So that's 3 over 30, di ba? So R is just, lipat si 3, multiply sa numerator sa kabila. 3 over 30, that's 110. So 110 ng WOL. So ayun. That is yung R na yan yung reaction sa 0. Sa 0 na magnitude ng triangular load. So with summation of forces along Y equals 0, so yung pangalanan natin yung R1. I-R1 na lang natin. Then ito si R2 kasi pwede rin magamit to eh. So yun, summation of forces along Y ka na lang dyan. That's R2. Eh di, kung 110 yun, eh di syempre, mas mabigat yung load ni R2 kasi siya nga yung nasa may magnitude eh. Diba? So R2 is 9 over 10. 9/10 naman siya. WOL. Right? That's it. So ayun, na-derive na natin. Magagamit kasi natin yan. Then, tandaan, kapag triangular load nga, ang reaction sa zero na magnitude is 110 lang ng W times L. Yung product ng intensity and yung length. Yung malapit naman, yung nasa fixed naman is 910. So, mas malaki yung load doon. And that's it. Hope you learned something.